Hello, I'm with Miłosz Garbarczuk, who's going to present himself and tell us the story of building a factory using critical chain.
Building a factory using critical chain, it's not obvious. We used the critical chain for the first time building such a factory. It was more than 20,000 square meters in the area of 5.6 hectares, and from the first dig to the handover, it took us 11 months using critical chain.
Crazy.
Yes, that was a crazy result. At the beginning, we were not expected that we will be so fast and so efficient. When you believe in something and when you believe in method, that this method will bring you such incredible results, it's feasible. However, execution is only part of the story. The most important part was the preparation phase. Mm-hmm. So to prepare such a, good planning for building a factory, it took us around 10 months. But 10 months of preparation of building a very good contract. That in the contract we put some additional points that we will use critical chain, and to convince the developer, to convince the general contractor that they have to use some other method that's a typical method which they use. Normally they use the Gantt chart, screaming on each other, having a lot of firefighting, and then a group of people, three guys, they told them, hey, you will act differently. We will ask you to use the completely new method. So we convinced them to use that. We spent a lot of hours to have a very good planning when we talk about the planning on level 1 or level 2, but this is the critical chain planning. Yeah. And having this, we start to implement the project, the execution. Yeah. It was very, very, very efficient. However, one of the key success factors was a part of the good contract, our communication. It's something beyond only the method that you see in critical chain. It's a part of the leadership, part of the communication, that the teams work very closely together. So our teams, like the developer, the general contractor team, and from the customer team, we sit in the containers. We were at the site minimum 8 hours per day. We had a routine on daily meetings, weekly meetings, just to solve any issue, any problem, any conflict as soon as possible. Normally, when the conflict appeared, time to solve was from a couple of minutes to maximum 1 or 2 days. So that was also one of the key success factors, that we are very efficient. So looking into the potential risk from the critical chain point of view, that we could foresee, okay, we see potential problem that within next 4, 5 or 6 months we can have some delays. We already jumped to our subcontractors, having honest discussion, because we had one goal, just to build the factory within the time, within the budget, and with our scope. And we start immediately to work on solutions. It was not a blaming culture, it was rather how to solve the main problems which could appear. So after this 11 months, when we built 15 million euro investments, so a part of the construction, outside infrastructure, roads, parkings, bus stops, inside infrastructure, overhead cranes, interlogistic systems, automated warehouse, AMRs, so also some modern Industry 4.0 technology. Then we decided to start in the Polish contest for the best project in Poland. It was also the first time that we did it. We were very proud because we got the first prize in Poland in the Polish Project Excellence Award in category infrastructure. What auditors said, a part of the strong leadership, there was in their mind the unique method. Mm-hmm. So they said, using this unique method for them with the strong leadership, we get such a brilliant effects. In Hager Group, this project is well known, and right now we are discussing how to execute the other projects, not only infrastructure, but the other projects that we can get such a very good results in terms of delivering on time.
Well, fantastic. 11 months to build a complete factory in Poland, a big success, won an award, and it's being rolled out in the company to all kinds of projects. So thank you very much for that story, Miłosz.
Thank you.